Okay, good morning everyone. Blessed morning. So especially to you, Ma'am Maria Makaboksit. So my topic it's all about automotive tools and equipment. So automotive tools have been designed to make automotive repairs, modifications, and servicing easy, making them essential for use when working on vehicles. Without the right tools on hand, you will find it difficult to complete the tasks you need to perform without errors or delay. And when we said tools and equipment must match with the task to be done. We should be careful enough to choose tools and equipment that are worthy of use. They must be in good condition so that it can be easily utilized without damaging the parts. So alam kong alam nyo na to. So especially those automotive. So ito yung mga importanteng bagay na para magawa natin yung task natin. And now let us talk about what is safety first. So always prioritize safety. Remember that accident is not an excusable incident. It can be avoided. Yes, may iwasan natin siya. Remember, always remember the motto, safety first. So kapag nagwo-work tayo, especially sa mga construction or mga something like that, special sa mga automotive na topic natin ngayon, is ang ginagawa nila is safety first para maiwasan nila yung mga mangyayari sa kanilang hindi maganda, which is yung mga aksidenteng dapat iwasan. So now let us talk about service procedure or tasks. So identify what tasks to perform before identifying materials and tools to use. The service procedure or task to employ will tell you the corresponding tools and materials needed. Appropriate tools to use with the task will enhance your ability to provide a competitive and efficient services. So, kailangan natin i-identify kung ano yung mga task natin kailangan gawin para at least yung procedure nun is masunod natin. Hindi tayo pwedeng gumawa ng own natin, kailangan natin sundin yung procedure kasi nga yun yung importante sa mga automotive. Kasi if ever nagagalawin mo yung ibang gamit dun or something naggawa-gawa ka lang without any procedure or task, maybe may mga possible na magiging conflict or mamamali yung gagawin mo. So now let us go to the cleaning tools. When we said cleaning tools, we have here, as you can see in the pictures, that we have a scraper, steel or wire brush, or utility rag. So that's the important for automotive cleaning tools. Scraper first. So, is a flat, thin sheet of metal with wooden or plastic handle. It is used to scrub hard to remove dirt or stubborn, grime or plastic sticker. So, yan yung mga ginagamit nila para sa mga matitigas na mga tirang dumi. So, steel or wire brush are thin stripes of metal inserted in the wooden or plastic stock. It is used to remove rust, hard to remove dirt, and grime with sweeping action. So, same pa rin yan. So, utility rag, it is a fibrous cloth used in cleaning and wiping dirt and dust. So, as usual, nililinis pa rin yung mga dumi. So, bending, holding, twisting, crimping tools. So, as usual, alam nyo na to yung mga pliers na ginagamit always, lalo na sa mga mga papa natin, di ba? So ginagamit nila to pag may mga kailangan silang ayusin sa mga sasakyan nila, especially dun sa mga wiring, ganun. Importante to. So when we said pliers are generally used as well as all around tools. They have the capability for bending, crimping, cutting, holding, stripping, and twisting. They are available in various shapes and size. Generally, pliers used for electrical job are insulated, whereas those for mechanical work are not insulated but sometimes equipped with rubber for gripping. Pliers are not used as substitute for wrenches. So now bending, holding, twisting, and crimping tools. So this is the one of the bending or holding or twisting tools, which is bench vise. So kung nakikita nyo sa mga welding, ito yung ginagamit nila para mag-bend ng mga bakal, which is yung mga kabilya. So di ba, is a device for holding and bending pieces of metal. It consists of one fixed and one movable jaw operated by a clamping action of the screw. So now, cutting tools. We have a chisel. It's a hand tools essential use for cutting bolts, nuts, and rivets. It comes in different types and sizes. A flat cold chisel is used for generally cutting, especially chisels like a diamond point are used for cutting sharp bottom or groove, and a round and chisel for cutting oil grooves. So that's the forma of chisel. Kinakat siya sa mga sa mga bolts or something like that, and sharp bottom grooves. Now let us go on to the cutting tools also. So electrical drill, as you can see in the picture, that is electrical drill is a tool for boring holes. It is made of either carbon steel, which requires frequent sharpening, or high-speed steel, which requires less sharpening. Electrical drill is designed for slow and high-speed drilling. It can be hand-operated for slow drilling or electrically operated, portable or heavy-duty machine for high-speed drilling with replaceable drill attachment at the end. Drills come in a various diameter size. Electric drill can also be used as a portable grinding machine by attaching a handy grinder on its end. So now, loosening and tightening tools. I know this, all of us know about this, lalo na yung mga automotive. And pinagdaanan ko naman din dati yung mga yung mga part na to, which is pag nag-aayos ka ng mga gulong, adjust mo, then lalo na yun sa mga sa mga tatay, mostly ginagamit nila to. So all wrench is used in a type of screw bolt with a hexagonal hole on the head. Box and wrench is an enclosed and tools used for moderate application for loosening and tightening bolts and nuts. So we have also a combination wrench. So it is a tool with an open end on one side, box end on the opposite side. It has the same size on both ends and used in loosening and tightening bolts and nuts. So this is same also. So oil filter wrench is circular shape steel with a internal tooth and handle. It is inserted to oil filter body, tighten as it turn for removal. Open end wrench, so it's a tool with open and used for light application and loosening and lightening bolts and nuts. So socket wrench, so nakikita na naman yung mga picture. It is a tubular like tool with an enclosed and used for heavy application for loosening and tightening bolts and nuts. So spark plug wrench, it is a socket like wrench intended for removing and installing spark plug. So we have also tire wrench. It's a cross like a sometimes L-shaped piece of round bar used to remove the wheels of the vehicle. So ito yung ina-adjust nila para mabilis matanggal yung yung gulong, yung ipapatong nila. So screwdriver, so ito mostly common na to sa lahat. So it's a piece of long metal rod made of hardened steel and tempered at the tip. It is used to loosen and tighten screws. It usually comes in different sizes and forms of tips. So iba-iba yung mga size niyan. So Allen screwdriver has hexagonal sides at the tip and used for hexagonal slot head of the screws. Flat screwdriver has a flat tip at the end and use. So flat siya sa dulo. So Phillips screwdriver has a cross like a tip at the end used in a cross groove a head of the screw. Depending on the kind of application used, and the screwdriver can be of specialty types such as stabbed screwdriver that has a short shank and handle. It is used for tight space where a typical screwdriver cannot be used. Offset screw has a shank being in opposite direction several distance just before the end of the tip. It is used to loosen and tighten screw in difficult areas. So iba-iba yung mga sizes nila. So we have here file. Ano nga ba yung file? File is a hard steel tool used for smoothing metal. So ito yung ginuuskus nila to smoothing metal. It comes in various shapes such as flat, round, half round, and triangular. It also comes in different fine to coarse cutting edges. As a single cut file has a single series of cutting edges parallel to each other, whereas a double cut file has two sets of cutting edges that cross at the angle. So tin snip. So it is a scissor shaped tool used for cutting thin sheet of metal. So pwede siya pangkat ng mga tire, something like that. Yung mga thin sheet of metal lang. So I think that's all my report. And this is the end of my report, which is tin snip. So, hoping that you understand. So, hoping that you understand my topic. So, my topic again is all about automotive tools and equipment. So, that's all, everyone. And God bless. Thank you.